Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten the password for your Lorex recorder, don't worry. As long as your recorder is connected to the internet and already linked to your Lorex mobile app, you can reset the password in just a few minutes. Here's how. Step 1.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Open the Lorex app. Start by launching the Lorex app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Access your recorder settings. Locate your recorder on the home screen and tap the settings icon above the device preview. Then tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner to open additional device options. Step 3. Begin the password reset process. Select Device Information from the menu. Next, tap Device Password, then choose Forgot Device Password. Enter the email address associated with your Lorex account and submit the request to receive reset instructions. Step 4. Retrieve the temporary password. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Lorex. It will contain a temporary password that you'll use to complete the reset. Step 5. Set a new secure password. Return to the Lorex app. Type the temporary password into the Current Password field. Then create a new secure password. For better security, your password should be 8 to 32 characters long and include at least 2 of these character types: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special symbols such as @ hash, or $. Step 6. Save your changes. Tap Save to confirm the new password. That's all. Your Lorex recorder password has now been updated successfully. Use your new password the next time you sign in.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.